5 Growth Strategies for Small Business Success. In 2024, starting a business is an exhilarating journey, full of possibilities and challenges. It's the dream of many to be their own boss, to build something from the ground up and watch it grow into a thriving, sustainable business. But as exciting as entrepreneurship can be, the reality is that many small businesses struggle to survive their first few years. To avoid becoming a statistic, you need a clear roadmap for growth that keeps you ahead of the competition and aligned with ever-changing market trends. In today's world, simply starting with a good idea isn't enough. Strategic planning, ongoing adaptation, and customer-focused innovation are essential ingredients for long-term success. In this video, we'll dive into 5 modern growth strategies that can help take your small business to the next level and ensure you're not just surviving, but thriving in an increasingly competitive market. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all our valuable content on business growth and success. 1. Maximize market penetration. By adopting a customer-centric approach. Expanding your market share remains a fundamental strategy, but in today's landscape, it's more than just about offering competitive prices. Consumers are savvier than ever before. They expect value, personalization, and authenticity from the brands they engage with. To deepen your market penetration, focus on building strong relationships with your current customers. Here are some ways to do that. Customer engagement. Utilize social media platforms and personalized email marketing to stay connected with your audience. Run interactive campaigns, offer real-time customer support, and provide valuable content that keeps them coming back. Customer experience. Make every interaction seamless, whether it's through your website, customer service, or in-store experiences. Exceptional customer service creates loyal customers who not only return, but also bring referrals. Loyalty programs. Don't underestimate the power of a well-designed loyalty program. Reward repeat customers with special offers, exclusive products, or even early access to sales. Your loyal customers are the backbone of your long-term revenue stream. While lowering prices can still play a role in increasing your market share, adding value and enhancing the customer experience will differentiate your brand from competitors and lead to sustained growth. 2. Embrace alternative sales channels to reach new audiences. The digital landscape offers more opportunities than ever to diversify how and where you sell your products. If you're only operating in one sales channel, you're leaving money on the table. The pandemic taught many businesses the importance of flexibility and adaptability, and this remains true today. Here's how you can embrace new channels. Omni-channel presence. Today's customers expect a seamless experience whether they are shopping online, on mobile, or in person. Create an integrated shopping experience across multiple platforms, from e-commerce websites to mobile apps and social media marketplaces like Instagram Shops or Facebook Marketplace. Third-party platforms. Selling on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay can provide an immediate boost in visibility. These platforms allow you to reach a broader, often global, audience. Be sure to optimize your listings with high-quality images, clear descriptions, and competitive pricing. Collaborative pop-ups and events. For businesses traditionally based online, hosting or participating in local pop-up shops or markets can be a great way to engage with customers face-to-face and boost brand loyalty. Partnering with other local businesses for events can introduce your brand to a new audience. Don't hesitate to explore new ways of selling your product. Whether it's through online platforms, direct-to-consumer models, or innovative retail experiences, diversification is key. 3. Target niche markets with laser-focused segmentation. Trying to appeal to everyone is a common mistake among small businesses. Rather than stretching yourself too thin, it's smarter to target a specific niche. Consumers today are more likely to engage with brands that resonate with their specific needs, values, and lifestyles. Here's how to sharpen your market segmentation. Data-driven marketing. Use customer data like purchasing behavior and demographics to tailor your marketing strategies. Email marketing tools, Google Analytics, and social media insights can all provide useful data on customer preferences. Personalized campaigns. Use this data to deliver highly targeted marketing campaigns. Personalization in marketing not only increases engagement rates, but also fosters stronger relationships with customers. Tailor your email campaigns, social ads, and even product recommendations based on customer interests. Micro-influencers. Partner with influencers who have a dedicated following in your specific niche. Influencer marketing doesn't have to mean big celebrities. Often, micro-influencers, those with smaller but highly engaged audiences, can be far more effective at reaching your target market authentically. By narrowing down your focus, you'll be able to cater specifically to the desires of a highly engaged audience that is much more likely to convert into loyal customers. 4. Build strategic partnerships and collaborations. Collaborating with complementary businesses can unlock growth opportunities that wouldn't be possible on your own. In the age of collaboration, partnerships can help you expand your reach, share resources, and tap into new markets. Here's how to do it effectively. Local collaborations. If you're a local business, partner with other businesses in your area to host joint events, cross-promote, or even create bundled products or services. For example, a bakery could team up with a local coffee shop for an exclusive coffee and pastry combo, benefiting both businesses. Co-branding. If your business has a national or online presence, seek out complementary brands to collaborate on products or services. Co-branded marketing efforts can drive awareness and engagement for both companies while delivering added value to customers. Affiliate programs. Build an affiliate program where influencers or complementary businesses can promote your products in exchange for a commission. This can expand your reach exponentially without a heavy investment in upfront marketing costs. By building partnerships, you can leverage each other's strengths to tackle larger opportunities and open up new channels of revenue. 5. Prioritize customer retention. The gold mine of growth. While many businesses focus their energy on acquiring new customers, one of the most overlooked growth strategies is customer retention. Existing customers are more likely to make repeat purchases, refer new customers, and give you valuable feedback. Here are some customer retention strategies that will boost your bottom line. Ongoing engagement. After the first sale, don't let your relationship with the customer end. Keep in touch with personalized email campaigns, updates on new products, special promotions, or loyalty program perks. Request feedback and act on it. Showing customers that you care about their feedback builds loyalty. Send out surveys after purchases, ask for reviews, and thank customers for their input. If you see trends in the feedback, make adjustments and communicate that you've listened to your audience. Subscription models. For businesses with the right products or services, offering a subscription model can increase customer lifetime value, CLTV, significantly. Subscriptions guarantee recurring revenue and increase engagement with your brand. It costs far less to retain a customer than it does to acquire a new one, so make sure you're doing everything possible to keep your current customers happy. Conclusion: growth comes with strategy, adaptation, and patience. Success in small business doesn't happen overnight. It requires strategic planning, adaptability, and an unwavering commitment to your customers. Whether you're focusing on increasing market penetration, exploring new sales channels, targeting niche markets, forming strategic partnerships, or prioritizing customer retention, the right approach will position you for sustainable growth. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe for more business insights. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know how you're implementing these strategies in your business. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA, helping you succeed in the world of small business.